Welcome to Traken Systems, manufacturer and service provider of air conditioning equipment. The company was incorporated in 1995 at Chennai. Our stringent quality norms and sophisticated infrastructure facility make us unique in the industry. Industry-leading prices, easy modes of payments, and on-time execution make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a wide array of cold rooms, chilling plants, and cooling products and accessories. Our cold rooms are superior in performance. Freezing and ice plants offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. We offer chilling plants that are highly efficient. We also provide water-cooled chillers that are extremely reliable. Along with that, we offer cooling products and accessories that are a class apart. For more information, log on at www.trakensystems.in.